in heaven and earth. The place called Panaspada. One side, the huge Bay of Bengal. The other side, the India's largest lagoon and the world's second largest lagoon, Chilka Lake. The Chilka Lake is the largest wintering ground for migratory birds on Indian subcontinent. Chilka is famous for Irway dolphin. It's so beautiful, especially in winter time. It's a nice tourist place. It comes under the Jagannath Puri. You must have heard about the Jagannath Puri. Puri is the pilgrimage sites in India. That is the you can call it Char Dham. The others are Dwarika, Rameswaram, and so Puri, the world famous festival happens in every year where the lakhs devotees they come from every corner of India as well as the abroad. So good afternoon all Toastmasters and guests.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
In school time, I was in jail. By home. My parents, they were loving, but very, very strict. They used to tell me, do in the right time, eat in that time, don't go here, don't go there. I was always thinking, am I in jail or am I home? After quite some years, they decided me to put in a hostel. Inside, I was so happy because I'm really not from here. But outside, I was just showing them outside because I'm going to miss them. Then I went to hostel. 2 days, I was so happy and enjoyed. I was with my friends, new friends. Third day, I came to know this place is worse than my home. That was the own known jail, known people, known jailers. But this is unknown people, unknown jail as well as unknown jailers. Same thing, I was surviving. I was answering that life. I was thinking, when can I get free? When can I do what I want? I passed out my school, then I went to junior college. I thought, now I'm a grown-up boy. I can do a lot of things what I want. Then I put in the hostel, junior hostel. Along with there was a senior hostel. So we're getting scared to come out because the seniors are there. They call us for ragging. They call us to do a lot of things. I thought, what's happening with me? When can I get free? Will I be every time in jail? What can I do? So then I passed on my junior college. Then I went to my graduation. Graduation, there was a senior. I'm senior there. I went to senior hostel. I was so happy and excited. So that I can go to senior hostel. Now I am senior, so nobody can tell me anything. So that hostel situated to sea beach, Bay of Bengal sea beach, and one side the girls hostel with the beautiful girls. So what else I need? So I was so happy. What I was looking for all the time, I wanted to enjoy, I wanted to do whatever I want. Then I got. Sometimes I used to bunk classes to be at hostel, so you enjoy the sea beach as well as enjoy the beautiful girls in the hostel. So I passed my graduation, then I have done my MCA. There, I learned how to survive in the corporate sector. Then I finished my MCA. I was deciding what to do now, where to go. Then one thing struck in my mind. समुद्र में सबके नाम पे एक लहर आता है, तो आपको मिला तो नसीब, नहीं मिला तो बड़ा पाप. So that means there are waves in your name. If you are getting your wave, you are getting your destiny. Otherwise, you are getting the cheapest thing, the bada coin, which is famous in Bombay. Then I came to Bombay. I was so excited. I wanted to see the famous Gateway of India as well as the Marine Drive. Then I saw the Gateway of India, then I went to Marine Drive. It's a very beautiful place. So, special and the attracts is the triangular type of stones, which attracts more. I was so happy I couldn't resist. I just stood up there. I just screamed. So some people they are sitting, they might think, oh, this guy might be mad. Or some might think this guy is new, but there were lovebirds between the two stones. They saw me. They thought, oh, this guy might have seen what we are doing. Then I wanted to learn Marathi, so I asked one of my friends, could you teach me play Marathi? He said, yes, you ask me what you want. I said, what are you saying, how are you? Then he said, Tumhi mala खूप आवडतात. I just wrote in a paper while coming in train. I was just reading and remembering. there was a gentleman standing close to me, so he also read that. He looked at me, gave me a smile. Then he said me, Mitzi Marathi. I said, Mitzi. Again he said, are you going to propose? I said, what are you saying? Then he said, what you are reading, that means I love you. Are you really? Then I stopped learning Marathi. I was working there quite some time. Then I came to Bangalore. I was working in a company 3 years. Recently I joined Oracle. After coming Oracle, I came to know about the Toastmaster. The first day in Toastmaster, I saw here, this is the best place where I can learn, I can gain, I can improve myself, and I can have fun, I can laugh, which I was not getting since so many years. Now I am feeling proud to be a Toastmaster. I have an ocean of an opportunity. Over to you.